My name's Andy Hatcher. I'm an install technician for pipe wrench plumbing. I operate heavy equipment. Today we're here to install a new water line from the meter to the home. I traveled for several years working for Atmos Energy, contracting to put in new gas main with directional boring. I've got a family, wife and 2 boys, and I decided that I needed to stay closer to home. So I found an ad where Pipe Wrench was looking for an operator, for directional drill operator as well as excavator. And that was right up my alley as I grew up working for my father's excavating business. Been around equipment all of my life. Before Pipe Wrench, I worked for S&V Underground Construction. We contracted primarily to Atmos Energy, where we installed infrastructure for new gas main all across Tennessee as well as Virginia and Kentucky. Before working for S&V Underground, I was self-employed. I ran a tree service for about 8 years. And prior to that, I worked for my father's excavating service. So I've been around equipment all of my life. The duties we perform at Pipe Wrench I enjoy because every day is something a little bit different. It doesn't seem as monotonous. Constantly learning new things. And some things are challenging, but we always are able to work through it. Outside of Pipe Wrench, I've got a family, 2 boys, my wife, and both of my boys are into all kinds of sports. They're actually involved in wrestling right now. In the spring, they'll be in baseball. I enjoy to hunt, fish. During the summer months, we enjoy being out on the lake. We do a lot of boating. So most things outdoors, we all enjoy.